Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue and white printed shirt with dark blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown shirt with black pants and black Chelsea boots. Next you can try white and aqua blue check shirt with tan pants and white and grey sneakers. Next you can try tan shirt with black jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white striped shirt with black pants and black boots. Next you can try light olive green t-shirt with cream pants and brown loafers. Next you can try tan printed shirt with cream pants and black sandals. Next you can try sky blue t-shirt with white shorts and white flip-flops. Next you can try beige shirt and pants with white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 brown outfit ideas.